Good evening, students. Welcome to 6th standard social class. Students, I hope all are safe at home by God's grace. Children, today we are going to continue the same lesson, land and oceans. Already we studied about Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Third one, Indian Ocean. We are going to study Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the earth's surface. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the earth's surface. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. The Indian Ocean covers the area 70.56 million square kilometer. It is named after India. The Indian Ocean is named after India because it's surrounded in India. Indian Ocean is a triangular in shape. Indian Ocean is the triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north and Australia in the east. I repeat, Indian Ocean is a triangular in shape. It is bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north side and Australia in the east side. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius and Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in the Indian Ocean. There are so many islands present in Indian Ocean. What are they? The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius and Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in the Indian Ocean. Next one, Malacca Strait. Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. There is a connection between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The connection called strait. Name of the strait is Malacca. Okay, Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Next one, Palk Strait. Palk Strait connects the Bay of Bengal and Palk Bay. Palk Strait connects two oceans or two seas. One is Bay of Bengal and Palk Bay. Next one, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea are some of the important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. There are few seas present in the corner, in the margin. Okay, what are they? The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea are some of the important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. Next one, the Java Trench. The Java Trench, that is 7,725 meter. The Java Trench measurement is 7,725 meter is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. The measurement is 7,725 meter. Okay, children. Next one, 6-degree channel. 6-degree channel separates Indra Point and Indonesia. There is a degree. Degrees, different types of degrees. The channel separates islands and points and lands and all. Okay. Now see, 6-degree channel separates Indra Point and Indonesia. Next one, 8-degree channel separates Maldives and Minicoy Islands. Next one, 3rd-degree channel separates Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands. Last one, 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. There are 4 degrees. What are they? 6 degree, 8 degree, 9 degree and 10 degree. Okay. Next one, the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean. This is the fourth ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. The Southern Ocean surrounds the which continent, children? Continent of Antarctica, and is enclosed by the 60 degrees south latitude. 60 degree S means south. S means south direction latitude. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. The Southern Ocean covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. The border of the southern oceans are Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Oceans. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea and the Davis Seas. See here there are 3 seas. One is Ross Sea. Next one Weddell Sea and Davis Sea are the marginal seas of these oceans. This means what? Here this means Southern Ocean. Farewell Island, Bowman Island and Hearst Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. Farewell Islands, Bowman Islands and Hearst Island are some of the islands in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. The southern ocean, this ocean water is always very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. This oceans is covered much of this southern ocean is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench with a depth of 7,235 meter. 7,235 meter. Okay, children. When you travel from Japan to California, which ocean would you travel across? Children, for this question you have to find out answer in the Google. Okay. Next one, the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometer. The area covers this Arctic Ocean is 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. This Arctic Ocean lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. This Arctic Ocean remains frozen, fully ice for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Greenland, New Siberian Island and Novaya Zemlya Island are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. Many seas are present and many islands are present. Okay. Next one, the North Pole. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. North Pole. North Pole, when you see the globe, the top side, okay, upper side, North Pole is located or situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest. Is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean. In the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meter in depth. 5,449 meter in depth. Okay. Next, children, Varap. Okay. Now, what are the points we have studied in this lesson? Now, we are going to see shortly. First point, the surface of the earth is covered by 71% of water and 29% of land. Next one, the landforms are classified as first order, second order and third order landforms. Okay. Next one, the continent and oceans. The continent and oceans are the first order landforms. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth surface. On the earth surface. Okay. Next one, mountains, plateaus and plains are the second order landforms. Second order landforms. Next one, valleys, beaches and sand dunes are the third order landforms. Last one, many islands and marginal seas are found in the oceans. Found in the oceans. Next one, glossary. So now we have to see the meanings. Island. What is the meaning of island? Island means a land surrounded by water on all sides. On all sides. That is called island. Next one, bay. Bay means a broad inlet of the sea. A broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards. Where the land curves inwards. Next one, strait. Strait, a narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. Strait means a narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. Next one, trench. Next one, trench, the deepest part of the ocean. Trench means the deepest part of the ocean. Last one, children, peninsula. Peninsula means the land surrounded by water. Peninsula means the land surrounded by water on 3 sides. On 3 sides. Okay, children, we finished this lesson, land and oceans. Thank you, children.